Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Apple Pay on your Apple Watch Ultra free. In order to set up Apple Pay on this watch, first of all, you need to have a passcode set. If you don't have a passcode set, then go to Watch app on your iPhone. Then you'll need to go most likely to General. I'm not really sure. I think that, or maybe not. I don't remember. Haven't set it up. Oh, yeah, it's in passcode basically. So yeah, you can set it up in passcode. Then in the watch app again, in of course my watch section, go to a wallet and Apple Pay. Now here are gonna be cards on your phone, and now it's important that you have the card on your phone first. If you don't know how to do it, there are videos on how to do it on our channel, so you can watch that. Now you can see cards on your phone. You can click on Add. Then I'll need to unlock my Apple Watch. Let's click on OK now. Let's click on Add. And I'm just clicking on anything on the Apple Watch to make sure it doesn't lock. Of course, I could just wear it on my wrist, but I have a different Apple Watch on my wrist currently, so I'm not really into that right now. Let's click on Continue. It's now adding the card. I can click on Agree. Okay, it's adding the card to Apple Watch, as you can see right now. And shortly I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay, I'm gonna verify it with a Revolut app. So let's continue. Okay, I'm gonna click on Verify again. Enter my passcode. Yeah, and you can see I can click on Confirm. Then let's go back to the wallet and Apple Pay. Let's see if it's already verified. Yes, it is. So if I wanted to pay with my Apple Watch now, I could just double click on the side button, the one below the crown, and hold the card in your reader. Of course, the Apple Watch has to be unlocked. So if I act like it's taken off my wrist, now when I double click and nothing happens, I need to unlock it and then double click. I think that's great. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.